Welcome back to another episode of Accidental Garage, and I'm Brian. This weekend we are waiting on parts, but in the meantime painting my wheels. There's a lot of rust in those different areas. I've already done the back side of my passenger side wheel, and so it's time to, we'll actually do the front of that wheel and then come back and do the other side of the front. So join me and let's see what we get done today. The sanding, I will admit, is a little overkill for this application. The hubcaps are going to be mounted over the wheels, so you're not really going to be able to see the inside of the wheels. Typically, I could probably really just sand with 80 grit, prime it, and paint it. But as you'll see at the end, I'm going to get a really smooth finish with my painting. Okay, I'm going to start by spraying some window cleaner on the tire to get it clean on the wheel. Sprayway, everybody on the internet uses that, and so that's what I use too. That is 80. I'm just going to try to wipe a little bit of that stuff out of there. Alright, now I'm going to go move up to, here's 120. That's a good one to step back up to. Okay, that was 120. So let's step it up to 180. At this point in the sanding, I found a spot that had some rust pitting. So I had to go back to 80 and step back through the sequence so I could get rid of that. Okay, 80. $80, 120, and 180. Okay, 180. Now we're gonna go to 220. let's go to 600. Okay, my battery died earlier, but here's where I am. I was able to sand it, the black down to the black primer down to 1500, but I decided to go ahead and top it off with this filler primer, and I've already sanded it down once, and I'm going to do another 1000 to 1500 sand on it, wet sand, and then get it painted. I'm just waiting for it to dry right now. But I think we're gonna get it here to where I need it to be. The products I'm using today for the painting is a Rust-Oleum filler primer and the Rust-Oleum black, the gloss black. So that's what I'm using for that. Again, I'm not sponsored or receive any money from these products. I'm just sharing with you what I use. I think this wheel turned out very, very successful. This is going to be on the driver's side hubcap where I have no, the driver's side wheel, front wheel where I have no hubcap. I haven't even glossed it, and it looks really, really good. This one over here, not so much. I'm not as happy with this one. Doesn't have that shine that I would like to see. That'll go with a hubcap over it. So that's about all I'm going to be able to get done this weekend. Don't have enough paint to do the wheel wells. I might do the priming on the wheel wells, but we'll see. The wheels are done, and I think they look pretty good. I'm going to still need to go and do the wheel well on the driver's side and the back of the driver's side wheel, but I'm very happy with what came out.